I love how you being a practical, a mature to immature, and since we are both totally opposite.
Salamat sa lahat ng sakripisyo niyo sa amin. Yun lang. Mahal namin kayo.
Wala na makakapigil. Tuloy-tuloy na. At siyempre, ito yung araw na hindi niya makakalimutan sa buhay. Dahil ngayon talaga kayo mangangako sa isa't isa. Sa hirap at ginhawa, sa kasakitan at kaligayahan. Kayo ay mananatili, no? Magsasam habang buhay.
Sabi nga sa homilya ng isang pare, love is offering. Therefore, I offer my life to you, and I love you unconditionally. At lahat ng ito ay sinusumpa ko sa harap ng Diyos. I love you, darling.
Pebs, hanggang sa dulo ng buhay ko, ikaw pa din ang mamahalin ko. Kaagapay sa hirap at ginhawa, at ang ating kwento ay aking ikwento sa ating magiging anak at magiging apo. Tandaan mo, ang pagmamahal ko sa iyo ay parang buwan. Mahal kita kahit hindi ka buo, at mamahalin kita ng buong buo.
Nangagatalo na ako.
Someday we'll be flipping through our old photographs.
Ano? Yan, baka yung patak.
And by then,
Pangit mo.
you and me will be remembering
Darling,
the things that make us laugh.
nung una pa lang kitang nakilala, alam ko na agad na
Oh, the memories
ikaw na yung tinadhana para sa akin.
when I'm with you. I know that you
Totoo lang
feel
daw.
the same way too. Shows in every little thing you do. Nothing's better than when I'm with you. When I'm with you, I know that you feel the same way too. Shows in every little thing you do. Nothing's better than when I'm with you. I can't explain the way I feel, darling. All I know is real when I'm with you. I know that you feel the
Jordan,
same way.
Pebs, Daddy. kung di kita nireplyan, wala kang magandang asawa ngayon. We met in a very unexpected way. Hindi ikaw ang tipo ko. Pero, ngayon, asawa na kita.
When I'm with you, I know that you feel the same way too. Shows in every little thing you do. Nothing's better than when I'm with you. Than when I'm with you. Yeah, than
I will
when I'm
never
with you.
promise any word. But I will do my best as a wife, as a mother, as a partner, and now as a best friend for you.